ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 72 श्लोका 12। चन्द्रागृहे किमुत चन्द्रभगागृहे नो राधागृहे नु भवने किमु मैत्रविन्दे धूर्तो विलम्बत इति प्रमदाभिः उच्चैः आशङ्कितो निशि मरुत्पुरनाथपायाः। Word by word meaning. Dhurtah, the deceitful Krishna. Chandra Gruhe Kim, in the house of Chandra. Uta, or Chandra Bhaga Gruhe Nu, in Chandra Bhaga's house. Radha Gruhe Nu, or in Radha's house. Maitra Vinde Bhavane Kimo, or in Maitra Vinda's house. Vilambate, is tarrying. Iti, thus. Pramadabhihi, by the Gopikas. Nishi, at night. Uchchaihi, Ashankitaha, who were very much suspected. He Marutpuranatha, O Lord of Guruvayur, Payaha, protect me. Full meaning. At night the Gopikas suspected thee of deceit, wondering whether thou wert tarrying in the house of Chandra or Chandrabhaga or Radha or Maitra-Vinda. O Lord of Guruvayur, deign to protect me. Om Tat Sat.